Here is how to install Eurosender app on your Shopify store. Open Shopify admin page, go to App Settings and open Shopify App Store. In search bar, type Eurosender and click Install. Then you will need to log into Eurosender account or register if you haven't already. The app will ask you to select your dimension settings. If you don't use custom meta fields, just leave everything on default. After that, you will go through onboarding flow, which you can always revisit under Settings in the tab called Information. Then you will be asked if you want to run the initial sync. This means importing your past orders from Shopify. Choose the date from which you want to sign your orders, review the list, and that's it. You have successfully installed your Eurosender app on your Shopify store. Now watch the next video to learn what you must set up before sending your first order.